Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize image in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express software. Now you can see. Now scroll your mouse. Now click. Now is show the resize image. Then resize image in JPEG, PNG, and web SPC. Now click from resize image. Now click. Now select from image. Now click for open. Now you can see custom size. Now edit and height. Now edit 3000 and height 3000. Now click. Now select from pixel, inch and centimeter and millimeter. Now select choose from pixel. Now click from reset option. Now open from edit. That it's. Now I can see now my image in resize. Now I can see image resize in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.